Are you looking for the best photo printers under $500? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best photo printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Canon MegaTank G3270. The Canon MegaTank G3270 all-in-one wireless inkjet printer is a versatile home printer that supports printing, scanning, and copying, making it ideal for everyday tasks. It features a MegaTank ink system that allows users to print up to 6,000 black and white pages and 7,700 color pages on a single set of inks, significantly reducing refill frequency and saving on long-term ink costs. The compact design fits well in home environments, and wireless connectivity enables printing from computers, smartphones, and tablets. While the printer delivers sharp and clear documents with decent color accuracy for occasional photos, its printing speed is moderate, and it requires manual duplexing for double-sided printing. Users appreciate its easy setup, reliable performance, and the convenience of the MegaTank system, making it a cost-effective and practical choice for home use, though it lacks automatic duplex functionality. It is available at major retailers like Canon, Amazon, and Best Buy for around $141.99, often with ink included. Number 2. Canon Pixma Pro 100. The Canon Pixma Pro 100 wireless color professional inkjet printer is a high-performance device tailored for photography enthusiasts and professionals seeking exceptional print quality. Equipped with an 8-color dye-based ChromaLife 100 Plus ink system, it delivers vibrant and detailed color prints, along with true monochrome outputs using dedicated grayscale inks. The printer boasts a high resolution of up to 4800 by 2400 dpi, ensuring sharp and accurate reproductions of your images. Its Optimum Image Generating (OIG) system intelligently selects the optimal ink combination for each print, enhancing color accuracy and tonal gradation. Supporting various paper sizes up to 13 inches by 19 inches and multiple media types, including glossy, matte, and fine art papers, it offers versatility for different printing needs. Connectivity options include built-in Wi-Fi, Apple AirPrint, and Pict Bridge, allowing for wireless and direct printing from compatible devices. Additionally, it features a disc tray for printing directly onto CDs and DVDs. The printer's robust build and user-friendly interface make it a reliable choice for producing professional quality prints in both home and studio settings. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 wireless color all-in-one cartridge-free SuperTank printer is a budget-friendly and eco-conscious choice for home users seeking reliable printing, scanning, and copying capabilities. This printer features Epson's innovative EcoFit ink tank system, eliminating the need for traditional ink cartridges. Each replacement ink bottle set is equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges, offering significant cost savings, up to 90% less than traditional cartridges. The printer includes up to 2 years' worth of ink in the box, allowing for high-volume printing with minimal maintenance. Number 4. Epson Expression Photo XP 970. The Epson Expression Photo XP 970 wireless color photo printer is a versatile all-in-one printer designed for photography enthusiasts and creative professionals. It offers wide-format printing capabilities, allowing users to produce borderless photos up to 11 inches by 17 inches using Epson's 6-color Claria Photo HD inks. This ink system delivers vibrant colors and smooth gradations, making it ideal for high-quality photo prints. The printer boasts impressive speed, producing 4-inch by 6-inch photos in as fast as 11 seconds. It also supports specialty media, including printing directly onto CDs and DVDs, providing creative flexibility. Number 5. Canon SELPHY CP1500. The Canon SELPHY CP1500 compact photo printer, white, is a portable dye sublimation printer designed for convenient, high-quality photo printing at home or on the go. Its compact size and optional battery pack, which supports up to 54 prints per charge, make it ideal for travel and events. The printer offers versatile connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB, SD card, and direct printing from smartphones via AirPrint or the Canon SELPHY Layout app. It supports multiple paper sizes, 4 inches by 6 inches, 2.1 inch by 2.1 inch square, and mini label stickers, and produces vibrant, smudge-free prints with a 300 by 300 dpi resolution. Using dye sublimation technology, prints are instantly dry, water-resistant, and can last up to 100 years. Equipped with a 3.5-inch LCD screen, the CP1500 allows users to preview images, apply effects, and add QR codes directly from the printer, while the updated SELPHY layout app enhances the experience with features like collage creation and pattern overlays. Priced around $129.99, it is an affordable solution for personal use, scrapbooking, journaling, and creating event keepsakes.